It's bad enough that we've got Glorilla and Dirty Red or whatever damn. What is her name? Um, Sexy Red, Sexy Red, Sexy Red. Yeah, Sexy Red, the entrepreneur. She done got her a new lipstick line, and she done named her lipstick shit like what was it? Juicy Pussy, um, or Juicy Coochie. Just nasty. I'm gonna look this shit up. What is the, you know, you can build a brand if you want to. Okay? But everything you do has to be ratchet and sexually motivated. Let me pull up Sexy Red. Sexy Red lip gloss. That's what it is. Sexy Red lip gloss. I'll read this. I can, okay. Sexy Red, put my coochie juice on your lips. Launches NSFW lip gloss. Sexy Red is heating up summer with a new business venture, a line of NSFW lip glosses, seemingly channeling her Pound Town anthem. The rapper revealed the sexually charged makeup brand online Monday called Sexy by posing for a series of provocative photos, including one where she held the box of lip glosses on her behind as she bent over. She also gave fans a close-up of the glosses' erotic names, which are, here we go, Coochie Juice, Booty Hole Brown, Nut, Pussy Hole Pink, Yellow Discharge. This next one, I couldn't believe this one. Gonorrhea, Blue Balls, and last but not least, the ever so popular Sex on My Period, which just so happens to be fruit scented.